In this example, you can see column A and column B are slightly different in width, and Google Sheets actually does measure the width of columns in pixels. So if you ever want to find out the exact width, you can go on a column like this, right-click, go to Resize Column, and it will tell you the size right here. So we can see, okay, it's 133. Let's change that to say 130, and then we can check column A, which will obviously be a bit shorter. 100 makes sense. So we could change that to 130. What you can also do is you could just shift select both columns like this, right click, resize columns A and B in one go, and then just select an overall width for both of them. So let's meet in the middle, go for something like 115 for both of them, click OK, and it resizes both of them to the exact same width. So whereas in the past you might just resize it manually like this and just think, okay, that's about the same width. Sometimes you might want the exact same width, and you can actually do that with pixels just like that.